Welcome to BISP Solution for learning new topics on FCCs. So in today's topic, we are going to uh, know and learn about the partner elimination, the feature which is available in the partner in the FCCs known as partner elimination. So in our application, if we I will just use another application here. So what does this partner elimination basically, what does it means and what does it, how it works? Basically, it is a custom consolidation rule in which the when we write a data directly to a sibling of the entity currency being consolidated, if that sibling or that subsidiary is an intercompany partner to its holding, then it will write the data into its sibling, that is into the subsidiary. That is what here it is written. That is enables you to write data directly to a sibling of the entity currently. Okay, being consolidated. If the sibling is its intercompany partner, or if one of the sibling descendant is an intercompany partner, which means the data which is available in the holding is written, or it is transferred, or written the data to its sibling. For example, in the below example, we have US holding as an investment company, uh, and has investment in company A here, and it's a sibling recorded in the investment in subsidiary account. Means company A is a sibling of this US holding, so they are both a sibling, and US holding is an holding company and has investment in entity A, with company A as intercompany partner member. Using partner elimination, the value in the investment in subsidiary account for US holding is returned to company's goodwill offset account with US holding as the intercompany transfer partner. So here in this case, using this partner elimination feature, by enabling this partner elimination feature, the value in the investment in subsidiary, because in general terms the what we invest, the investment made by holding is can be seen in the investment in subsidiary, which is the investment in subsidiary is transferred to the goodwill account if there is any goodwill. So the value in the investment in subsidiary account for US holding is returned to companies a goodwill offset account with US holding as the intercompany transfer. So the investment which we made in the subsidiary will be shown under goodwill offset account in the subsidiary. But for that for that purpose, the holding must be a intercompany partner for that particular subsidiary. That is what it does mean. So for enabling this partner, for using this partner, we have to we need some prerequisites, or we are required to have the in we have to enable this feature in the application. So for that, partner elimination must be enabled for application. So that can be done either when we create this application. Okay, at the time of creating application, we can choose that option of partner elimination, so it will be enabled. Or if in case if it was not done at the time of creating application, we can enable it after creation of application also. So let's go to this one of these instance. Under the configure, we will see that first configuration, enable features, this one. Under the enable feature, you can see Here is the partner elimination. This one, this one. This is enabled. Now we can, as this is enabled, we will be able to use this partner elimination. I will just show you this one, because before enabling this, it was not ticked. It was unticked in the enable feature with enable. Okay, so after that I enable this feature, that is partner elimination, and after that then it become available into for our use. This one. Now this partner enable here, this one is enabled. Okay, so this we have I have done after creating the application. So once this partner is created, an additional member is created in the data source dimension. Let's go and see that also. Under the data source, total data source, total elimination, we have this in FCCs partner elimination. This one. This is automatically get enabled when we use. Otherwise, this would have not been available in our application. Let me see whether in other instance this has where this feature is not available, is not enabled. Data source, total data source, total elimination. This application is also enabled with this feature. So otherwise, this member would have not been there. So let's come to this slide. And the second requisite is entities must have the intercompany entities. So the entities, the holding and the subsidiary must be an intercompany entity. So for that purpose, I have selected dimensions. I have been using W101. Go to this entity, total geography T. This is W101. This has been enabled as intercompany partner. This one is considered as intercompany partner. And similarly, as we have been working for 101 and 102, let's choose this one also. So for 102 also, it is enabled as intercompany intercompany. So just cancel this one. This is the second requirement, and a sibling and holding in which data is to be written should be intercompany partner for holding. That is, they must have been intercompany, and the data when we input, there we must have some transaction between holding and a subsidiary, between the both, to get this figure. So for that, as this is the requisite, we will have to create a custom rule for this purpose. Okay. So I have this application. We'll go to the consolidation. We need to create a configurable consolidation for this purpose. Go to this configurable tab under this consolidated option. Here comes the configurable consolidation option. Just click on that. Now you can see I have the basic rules which are required have already been deployed here, and this rule has already been deployed here, which is created by me while using this one. But for our testing purpose, for our this class purpose, we will just delete this one and we'll create one another for our requirement. So I will just delete this one. Okay, I will have to first deploy it, undeploy it. This is okay, and I will just undeploy it. We'll go to this intercompany. This is the rule which I have created for this purpose, for partner elimination. Confirm. Okay. So for this purpose, all these are the seeded rules, the seeded custom rules. To create this one, I will just go to this investment tab, and you can see some rules. This is the main rule, and sub rules are already defined in it. So for creating the partner elimination configurable rule, I will just copy this one, duplicate with rules. I will create a copy of this rule. For this purpose, I will just use duplicate with rules. Okay. So a copy has already been created here. Now you can see investment underscore copy, and just drill down it. We have these two rules also. Now under this, we will just first go and rename this investment copy name, because we have to create this one with the other name, investment partner name, this one. So we will just use the name as investment partner elimination. Okay. Okay. Partner elimination invoice goodwill link, and we will just save and close it. Rule saved successfully. Okay, so I have just rename it as investment partner elimination. Okay, so under this we have two rules, reverse proportionalization, and we have investment goodwill offset rule. So we will choose this one. This rule will create this one, and we'll rename it with another name. Reverse goodwill offset need to rename as investment and investment link. Okay, before that, just okay, sir. Before that, I will just create a copy of this first, and we'll create this investment. Go to this, copy, duplicate. Now we have this created a duplicate copy of this goodwill offset. Click on this. Now we will change the name of this investment. The name of this investment link. Okay, just save and click. Investment link. It has become twice. So just remove the investment one, save and continue. Okay. Under the investment and investment link, change the goodwill investment link and moment. Okay. And just save and close it. Now we have three rules here: goodwill offset, and we have created this investment and investment link. Under the goodwill offset, we just click this one and rename it goodwill offset. We will rename it as partner elimination. Goodwill offset underscore partner elimination. Okay. Partner elimination, and we'll just save and continue. Partner elimination. Now we'll save and close it. Okay. Partner elimination. Okay. Now we have created this one, this partner goodwill offset. Now here the account here is investment in sub, and it will be transferred to goodwill offset. Okay. Okay. Then we will come to this investment and investment link which we have created. This one, copy this investment and we will create a copy of this also. Just go to this sheet and first we will create this investment and this investment link. Okay, this is the file. Now we will copy this one and create a duplicate for this. Just click on this as investment link, partner elimination, and just save. Investment partner, investment link, do below changes. In the investment investment do below changes. Investment, under this investment link we have to make a changes. So in place of this goodwill offset, as we have renamed the investment, so we have to change this offset to investment link. Okay, cancel this one. Goodwill offset, in place of goodwill offset we will just use some another account. Okay, investment goodwill offset. Okay, offset name. Investment in this we will change the name and we'll choose it as investment link. This one, member. Okay, and since we have changed the account, so we are also supposed to change the movement for this purpose. So for that purpose, change the movement to other investing company. Investment changes, total movement, closing balance, movement changes, subtotal. So I have actually changes in investing. We have to choose the changes in other investing activities. Changes in other investing activity. Okay, and we have done this and have to save and have to close this one. Now in the investment and investment link, we are going to change this processing unit, this one, as our subtract. Save and close. Now these rules have been created. The rules have been defined accordingly as per our requirement. Okay, now this and I already have the POV with me, this one 1600. So I have already and before that, as this other rules were already deployed, so we will have to deploy these rules also. This one, these rules. So for that purpose, we will just click on these rules in investment partner elimination, and we'll just deploy it. So it will take effect of the activity. Now it has been ticked with it is available with green tick. That means it has been enabled. Now we will just close this one, and we need to run the consolidation for this purpose. Business rule. We need to run the business rule for this purpose. So before that, I have already inputted this figure minus 1600. For that purpose, I have selected one account, that is my cash account, and have defined accordingly the movement for it, and also the investment in sub and the common stock. So as per this POV, S101 is our holding who has made investment in S02. So it has made the investment of 1600, say 1600. As per my calculation, the total investment made is here 6000, and what is the common stock of subsidiary? It is 2000, which I have taken into account here. This is for 102, common stock 2000, and the cash here is equal to uh, 2000. So it tallied our balance sheet. Uh, okay, I will just show the member. Okay, just okay, leave it. So this balance sheet our tallied our. Okay, and similarly for this S101 has made investment in S102 of 1600, because has made S101 made of 1600 equals to 80%. 80% ownership of subsidiary. So the common stock of here subsidiary is 2000. So what will be the 80,000? It is 1600. So we have shown that as in our POV as our investment 1600. Okay, and as we have this 1600 in our as investment, so I have shown minus sign for this cash. This is basically the cash account minus 1600. So it has tallied our balance sheet for A also, and for S101, and also for S102. Now we will run the for that we have to run the business rule for this purpose. It's run the basically the consolidation for this purpose. We will just go to rules. Business rule, consolidate S101 Jan actual FI15. So it will launch. Just so this has been accepted it, and let's go to the output sheet. In this our output sheet. So here what I have done, I have taken the different POV for the output purpose. In the column C, you can see S101 is our holding, and currency taken as parent currency, and intercompany is taken as South 102 ICP, and it is data source is our intercompany elimination. So you can see in that in this the investment in sub, that is minus 1600, this one is is a negative figure, and while investment in link is a positive number. This happens because we have run the rule, we have created the rule for this purpose, that is that investment in sub must be transferred to investment in link. Let's see that rule. Consolidation. Okay. Configurable. So this is our rule in an intercompany partner relationship under this investment link. Now you can see under the investment account, investment in sub will we move forward to investment link. So that is what it has happened here. 1600. Okay. 1600 has been transferred to investment link. Okay. And similarly, if we this is the scenario for S101. Now take the scenario for S102 also. This is for S102. So in this investment link is here, it is 1600 minus 1600, and which is being transferred to goodwill offset. Okay, for the S102 with IC with S101, that is the holding company with its as its partner element, partner company, well, intercompany partner basically SP101. So what it has done, from investment link it will transfer to goodwill offset because of this rule. This is goodwill also. So it will move forward to this 1600, this goodwill offset, as it has been transferred to this goodwill offset because of this rule, investment offset. And here the processing option here is add, and investment link, this one investment link partner elimination. Now you can see under this we have done the processing option as subtract, due to which this investment link amount is getting negative, means it is getting a negative figure, negative due to this one investment link, and with its investment partner minus 1600, because of we have done this as we have considered this processing option as our subtract. If I can see, show it. Okay, and now you can see the data source here is partner elimination. So under the partner elimination, data source, partner elimination, data source with partner partner elimination as data source, this will be reduced to minus 1600 due to because of this investment this custom rule. And now you can see, and because of this has been moved to goodwill offset with data source as partner elimination. So here the data source here is partner elimination. This is basically how the this rule works here. So for that purpose, we the investment which is made have been shown in the subsidiary, that is the sibling, which is also a sibling, and also the intercompany intercompany partner elimination for this purpose. 102. So it has negate the investment in sub and shifted it to 16 to investment in link, and due to some another rule, the partner elimination rule, this has also been shifted to have been moved to or returned back to the correct word here is correct word here is return back, right back, return down is 1600 to this one. This is the basically the basic calculation through which the partner elimination feature can be used. So from holding to subsidiary, it is giving us the result. So so in technical terms, what it has done, we have run the consolidation process for legal and for S101 and wrote down data to entity 1 and its partner, that is legal, that is S02. The investment rule work. When it work, it the value of investment entity 1 investment in sub is transferred to investment link. Okay, this figure is transferred to investment link 1600 because of this rule, investment and investment link with legal entity ICP, that is ICP 102 here. And similarly, due to the investment and investment link partner elimination, PELIM is basically the short form for the partner elimination rule, to write a reversing entry to subsidiary, legal entity to investment link, and legal entity 1 ICP partner elimination. So it has created a reversing entry to the subsidiary. So this is our subsidiary. So it has created a reversing entry of minus 1600. Okay, 1600. It is the elimination or reversing entry for this with legal entity 1 as ICP. So here the ICP partner, here it is 101 with data source as partner elimination. And third one, the goodwill offset rule used to eliminate partner elimination to write the value for legal entity 1 in sub is greater than legal entity 2 ICP to the investment link account of the subsidiary. Legal entity 2 legal is greater than investment link legal entity ICP 1 partner elimination. So it has done that 1600, this one. And let's see, I have also one POV with me. Okay, I will just use that one, whether it will give us the result or not, because entity not its partner elimination logic. Basically POV for partner elimination. This is not that file, partner elimination. So I will just choose that file for whether we have taken the minority interest or not. Okay. This PCD pictures screenshot. Okay. So this is the result of this partner elimination. So this is also been defined for this or this purpose. The minority in the same rule set enter ownership percentage to equity. Okay. 1600 is there. FI product elimination south 101. Whether we can change this one to okay. So this is basically the result of this exercise of the partner elimination, and this is all been have already been defined. To the how the legal entity owner's equity goodwill offset and the other rules will work accordingly to its nature. So they will give us the result of it. So with this so 11670, yes it is. So where is that? Yes, it is here. This is the our entity, the which I have shown, right? So with this, we conclude for today's session. And for any query or for any questions, you can write us to us on our website, or you can reach out to us at support@bispsolutions.com, and can see the useful and other knowledgeable videos on our YouTube channel also. So I we hope you like this session, and we'll come with another topic tomorrow itself. So till then, just goodbye to all.